You're breathing in pieces of ancient Egypt every day, and you don't even realize it. That dust under your bed isn't just skin cells and hair, it's also microscopic fragments of soil, pollen, and even meteorites. Each particle carries a unique story of its journey from the far reaches of the cosmos to your home. Some of these particles might have traveled across the deserts of Egypt, picking up tiny grains of sand that were once part of the Great Pyramids. So, next time you sneeze, remember, you may just be rejecting a piece of history that journeyed thousands of years and miles to meet you.